Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to look at a very important topic. We want to see how you can save your channel lists, because most of the time once you do a factory reset, all the channels are lost. So to save you the stress of each time blind scanning, it's better for you to save the channel list, so that after you've done the factory reset, you could just um, put back the channel back the way it was. So we're going to look at how do we save the channel lists. Now these are the channel lists we have. I have up to like I have this channel list, and how many satellite do I have? I have the satellites. You can see I have about I have 5 satellites here. So if I do a factory reset now, or a factory default, everything here will wipe off. So I want to save myself the stress of rescanning again, blind scanning again, doing dark setting again. So I want to save this. I want to save all the channel list into my flash drive. I want to save it to my flash drive. Then after saving to my flash drive, I can do a factory reset, then reinstall them back. So how do we go about it? First of all, let's click our menu. We'll go to our menu. You go to your menu. It's your menu here. So go to edit channel. Go to edit channel. Go to edit channel. Then we go to user channel list. You can see it, user channel list. I click on it. Then it says save user data. Save user data. So I'm going to save the user data. I click OK. Is it all data and setting will be saved? Do you really want to continue? I said yes. I click yes. So it has been saved. It has been saved in my flash drive. So let me quickly go to my flash drive and see. I go to menu again. I go to menu. So this is my USB. This is my USB. So this is my USB. It comes out as CHMAX directory. So let me click on it. Then I look for it. I look for it. Is one among these. You can see them here. 1, 2, 3. All the channels I have, but I want to compress them into a single file. So I click on this. Nothing came up. This, nothing came up. This, nothing came up. This, nothing came up. So I click on it again. Then I click, this thing is upload. You can see upload. The yellow button here says I should upload. So I go to this yellow button here. This button here, I click upload. It's upload data to USB, upload channel to USB, upload key to USB, upload schema channel list. I want to say upload data to USB, upload channel to USB. Let me use upload channel to USB. So asking me to name it. Let me leave it as channels. Then I click OK. It's saving. So let's hold on and see. It's saving. It's saving. It's saving. It's saving. So it's saving. It says successful. So that is how it is. I've saved it into my flash drive. Now I want to move out this. I want to move out this to my new decoder. I want to move it to my new decoder. So let me move it. You can see I'm moving this one now. I'm moving it from this decoder to this new decoder. Or if I format this one, the same process. After formatting this one, I put the flash drive and reinstall it. So let me just move it from this decoder. Move it to this from this decoder. I want to move it to another decoder. So this is the decoder here. So it's coming up. I put back the flash drive to this decoder. Okay, so I'll turn on my new decoder. You can see for my new decoder, it's a blank decoder. There's nothing on it. There's nothing on it. There's nothing on it. So let me just go to menu. It's blank. There's nothing on this decoder. I go to the menu. There's nothing here. Everything is off. You can see there's nothing, is blank, no channel at all. Everything is blank. So let me move those channel I copied from this decoder to this new decoder. So let me see. I go to the USB. I choose USB. You can see the channel list. The one we copied from here, this is it. I click on it. Okay. So do you want to upload database? I said yes. So it's downloading the channel list from the flash drive into the decoder. So it says successful. So let me exit. You can see all my channel lists have been moved. Let me see the list of channels I have. I go to start, click start on my remote. All the channel lists I had in this decoder has been moved to this new decoder. I just moved it from this decoder to this decoder. So that's it. You move your channel list from the decoder to the flash, and after you formatted or do a factory update, you still use the same process to upload it into the same decoder you formatted or to a new decoder. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, share and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.